Guys, Mo here with Official Pro Smiles. Today I'm going to do an instructional video on your teeth whitening kit. In your teeth whitening kit, you're going to find 2 gels and boil and bite trays. I'll show you how to do step by step how to form your boil and bite trays, and then thereafter I'll show you how to load your gel into them and then how long you should wear them. Alright guys, so these are the boil and bite trays. You're going to boil your water and then turn it off. You don't have to have it scalding hot, so as long as it's boiling, then just turn off your water. You're then going to take your tray, you're going to dip it in there a couple times, and as you can see, the tray starts to get clear. You see the difference between the tray? And it starts to form. Shake it off. And then there you have a perfectly formed tray. So what I did was, when I put it in my mouth, I bit down really hard and I sucked on the tray and then helped form it by pushing it along my teeth. So then that way when I put my trays in my mouth, when I have my gel, it's gonna stay in place a lot better. So I'll go ahead and do the other tray now. Alright guys, so your gel. Here's some tips on how to preserve it so that way it lasts. A little bit goes a long way when you're applying it in the gel or in your tray. So we'll get to that here in a second. But your gel is going to have a little cap on it, which when you first get it, there's gonna be a different tip on here. So you're gonna put this tip on there. But once you put this tip on there, you're gonna then break and open that tip, which when you go to save it, you could flip it over, you put it back on the tray, and when you're done using it, you'll put it in your refrigerator to help keep its longevity. Your whitening kits are tight bags, so you'll be able to put it actually in that bag to keep it airtight from not going bad on you. So any heat will oxidize the peroxide in the gel. So I'm going to take a little cap back off. In your tray, less is more. You don't want to overload your tray. You see a lot of these videos out there where they're just dramatically filling these trays and sticking it on your mouth. Don't do that. It's gonna destroy your gums. A little bit goes a long way. So when you go to fill your tray, you're gonna fill it just on this outer level, a nice thin layer. You'll go and you'll stick this in your mouth, and you can wear it up to 20 minutes at a time. A lot of people who are very sensitive, the most consecutive days in a row I suggest is no more than 2 or 3. If you're not really sensitive, or you're not, again, not having any sensitivity, you can wear it up to 5 days to get you to that most potential whiteness. Okay guys, so you might have a lot of questions about how to, if it wasn't already gone over in my video today, please go on my website, www.officialprosmiles.com. I do have a Q&A section where you can find all your teeth whitening questions, whether it's my in-house or my whitening kit. If it's not there, please feel free to email me at prosmilesbymo@gmail.com, and I'll be happy to answer all your questions. Also, I'm doing a promo right now. It's already marked down, $10 off on my website, www.officialprosmiles. So make sure you go on there and check that out if you're interested. I am doing international shipping, so good luck with your whitening kits. Stay tuned.